Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and demonstrating the Haier HMW28DBM Microwave, a stylish and powerful microwave and grill combo that makes cooking easier, faster and more convenient. If you love efficiency in the kitchen, this one is for you. By unboxing, we mean we remove all the shipping materials. These are the materials that protect the device or the item when shipping. When you open the box, the first thing you get to see is the manual. This is the material which will guide you on how to use the microwave. Let's get started. As we unbox this 28-liter capacity microwave, the first thing you will notice it is sleek black stainless steel finish, giving your kitchen a modern and premium touch. It is compact yet spacious, perfect for homes, apartment, and probably for office kitchen. The microwave is quite heavy for one person to unbox it, so I had to find a way on how to remove it out of the box. I tried all ways and finally had it out of the box. And again, the reason as to why I never wanted help is that I wanted to unbox with you and take you through step by step on installation. This is the back view of the microwave. As you can see, we have the power cable, and also if you are unsure about the details of the microwave, you can always confirm from back here. We have the serial number, the model number, and any other thing you would want to know or to confirm. Before setting up your microwave, ensure you have the power supply that has wall socket required for proper operation. You have also proper ventilation. Make sure there is enough open space for inlet and outlet vents to prevent overheating. You also have a stable service where to place your microwave on a flat, stable service to ensure safe usage. Inside the microwave, you get to find the grill rack that is meant for grilling. We also have the glass tray. You'll see that in a few. And also the turnable ring assembly. Now let's talk about the key features and power ratings of this microwave. It has an input of 1450 watts that ensures high energy efficiency and stable performance. Another amazing key feature is the 900 watts microwave output power that is perfect for fast and even cooking. Anything above 800 watts is great for cooking, remember that. And higher wattage means faster and more efficient heating. Whether you are reheating leftovers or preparing a full meal, this microwave gets the job done quickly. The 1000 grill power is also ideal for getting that crispy golden brown finish on your food. Whether it's pizza, toast, or grilled chicken, you will love the results. Another amazing feature that I love most is the 7 auto-cook menus. If you don't want to spend time setting cooking times, these pre-programmed menus allows one-touch cooking for your favorite meal like popcorn, pizza, and pasta. The multi-stage cooking also helps you to set different power levels during cooking for perfectly prepared meals every time. Another key amazing feature is the LED digital display and touch controls. The bright LED screen helps you to keep track of cooking time and commands while navigating through the menus effortlessly. Also, the interior light allows you to monitor your food without opening the door, ensuring perfect results. Let's now talk of the easy to clean interior and exterior. The smooth surfaces make wiping down spills and splatters hassle-free. The microwave holds to a capacity of 28 liters. Remember, capacity determines the number of dishes you can fit inside. With the 28 liters, you can use large plates and containers, making it perfect for family meals. Those are the pre-programmed menus for you, as you can see, and also the timer. Another greatest feature if you have children in the house is child lock feature, which prevents an unattended operation. I'll show you how to activate and deactivate the feature. This is how the microwave looks from this side, and also the other side is just plain. Nothing is happening on the other side. It's just plain panel. This microwave comes with 1 year warranty. As you can see, we have a 1 year warranty for this microwave. To activate the child lock, press and hold the stop/cancel button for 3 seconds. The lock icon will appear on the screen. Also, to deactivate, press and hold the stop/cancel button for 3 seconds again, and the lock icon will disappear. Let's now do a quick demo using the defrost menu. We have a piece of chicken straight from the freezer, and we are going to see how well the Haier HMW28DBM handle defrosting. First, open the microwave and place the frozen chicken inside the microwave on the microwave save plate. For me, this is what I will use for now. Next, select the defrost 1 option, which is a weight-based defrosting, perfect for meat, poultry and fish. I went for the second option, but at the end of it we had the final results of the chicken being defrosted. Defrost 2 allows you to enter the weight of the chicken and then you press start. The microwave automatically adjusts the time and power levels, ensuring the chicken defrosts evenly without starting to cook. You don't have to guess the settings, just let the microwave do the work. After the cycle is complete, let's now check the results. The chicken is now soft and thawed, ready for cooking. No more waiting for hours or dealing with uneven defrosting. This feature is a game changer for meal prep, especially if you forget to take food out of the freezer in advance.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better.